Spin Master Monster Jam RCL Toro Loco. This is a Walmart exclusive 1/10 scale radio controlled El Toro Loco unboxing and run video we're gonna be doing. So on Monster Truck Classics, thank you for joining me. Here it is. It says 1/10 scale. It's by a USB to charge it. Authentic sounds. There's Monster Jam authentic symbol. Comes with the remote. Powered by Duracell. So maybe they come with batteries in it, not sure. But as we turn it around, here we go to the front of El Toro Loco. If you haven't seen this truck before in Walmart, here it is. And it has nice graphics. I do believe that it has good graphics. Mine might be missing the eyebrows. I didn't even notice that. But anyways, let's go ahead and turn it to the other side over here. It has fast foam tires, authentic sounds. Included is 2 batteries, and you charge it by USB. So you can also go on to monsterjamrc.com to get all the information. Indoor outdoor use. Up top here it has foam tires equal faster speed, because one of the things, and better performance. So that's going to be interesting, because I do have a Spin Master Gravedigger truck that does not have these foam tires, and the tread on it, this is kind of some kind of soft plastic, soft rubber in the middle of these foam BKT tires. It's nice that they have the BKT logo on the tires, and I like I'm gonna call it dark orange wheels. This is also Spin Master truck. These are rubber tires, so they got rid of those, so we'll have to really see how fast this is. But let's go ahead and do the unboxing of this. So I did get this at Walmart for $54. Inside here it says instruction guide inside. So pull this out. Here we go. So maybe I was wrong. Maybe there are instructions online. I could be wrong, but here's a nice book or manual, I should say, for El Toro Loco. So let's go ahead. Underneath here, we already have the USB cord in here, and that should close up then whenever you're done with that. Let's go over and see the details of the truck. It has nice stickers for El Toro Loco going around, and the teeth. Here's the front again. Now we get a nice shot of what it looks like with the horns. Very nicely detailed. Another sticker underneath, and then a sticker in the front for his nostrils, blowing the fire out. Nice windshield sticker on the other side also. Then on the back it has El Toro Loco, monsterjam.com on the tailgate. And then this is a big black sticker here that they have on the back of the truck here. Here is the nice little remote that you get. Forward and backwards on the remote, left and right. Press the red button for the sounds. And then here should be the batteries inside. Let's see if it's already charged. No. I will have to charge it and then come back and show you guys it running.
and he falls down. Here we go. Cannot get up that ramp very well. Full power.